what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we got these in, and they are, as you can see, ta-da! There's some aftermarket, you know, like paddle shifter covers, if you want to call them. They go like right behind your actual paddle shifters, just for like an aggressive look. And yeah, we're gonna install them right freaking now.
Better grip, adds harsh power every time you click. It's like
how much?
More. I don't know.
We haven't dynoed.
Yeah, we haven't dynoed. That's the next video.
All right, so let's get to the install.
No, yeah. Wait. Milo's gonna come out.
Yeah, no, I'm cutting him out.
He's up there.
So first step is we're gonna clean, you know, the surface to make sure it's not dirty, doesn't have any debris, which it probably does. But yeah, that's what this is for. This is what this is for. So yeah, let's clean the surface so it sticks nicely in there. Excuse me, Howard. I was here first. Damn, this thing is greasy.
Yeah, somebody's been driving with some greasy ass hands. It smells nice.
Have you actually smelled it up front?
No.
Yeah, you should probably try, and then you'll change your mind. Look at this, smell it.
Ew, yeah, it smells like fucking glue or paint. Ugh.
Alright, step 2. Remove the 3M tape.
Alright, that's the hard part.
Yeah, it is the hard part, believe it or not.
I almost had it.
Wow. You only have one try.
Better get it right the first time.
Hey, I'm not ready.
You sure that one was there?
Yeah, bro. It's the only way.
Let's put it backwards. A little bit different.
No, I don't think that shit's going anywhere. Damn.
Does it look?
So as you can see, beyond aggressive, like really aggressive. Time for the second one. Hopefully this one could be quicker. Come on. Come on.
You can do it.
Ooh, we're getting better at it.
You know, guys, we're gonna let you know with Florida heat, if once it's like 300 degrees inside the car, we open the door and it's not on the floor, and yeah, it's really good.
So there you go. Final look. Looks super nice. Really aggressive, exactly what we were looking for. And let's see real quick how they feel when you are driving.
The car shifts pretty fast.
Holy shit.
You know, in the track, a 328 bit of Porsche.
In a drag?
On the track, yeah, we were just saying, a 328 bit of Porsche. And it wasn't just like a shitty Porsche, it was a nice Porsche.
So they feel just like the OEM ones, just obviously look more aggressive, but it's the same feeling. They don't feel uncomfortable or awkward or anything like that, but they do look freaking crazy. Okay guys, this video has come to an end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like always, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps out with the videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and obviously subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you on the next one.